Let's create this gorgeous accessory for the dress we've taken up. Always when you have a spare fabric, you can make a scrunchie to match your outfit, and I'll show you how. I'm going to show you what I do. So here we can undo the hem, so we can use this fabric as well, and you can do it as big or as small you want. I'm using this fabric, so it will be roughly, when I do it, it will be like a scrunchie mini. So this is how I unpick, and then you can do it your length. The normal scrunchies, they're around 50 centimeters long. I normally do them longer, so they're much more they're nicer. So I will do a little bit more, and then we will press this so it's nice and straight, and then we'll create the little scrunchie accessory for this dress. So now we're going to press it on and iron the strip. You can see it's a little bit curvy, as this is how the shape of the dress was, but it's fine. We're just creating a lovely accessory, which is my go-to. So now we need to kind of level it. Okay, so we created this lovely strip, and we are going to make a lovely scrunchie in a moment. Please like, share, subscribe, so you don't miss any of our exciting projects. Okay, we'll continue in the sewing machine. So we need to put our strip with facing right face in, and then I would advise you, if you have your own branding, just stick it. Whatever you do, put your branding. And let's go to the sewing machine now. So we'll put our branding label somewhere here. Here is our label. And what we'll do now, it's called the Burrito Method. So you have the tube this way, and you move this middle bit, the top bit, like that, and then put the back strip together. So I always put edges to go together. And this in. So we will start somewhere here. So we need to go all the way around, but we'll leave a very small gap so we can put the elastic in. So as we go here, we pull the middle bit. And you keep working here. Make sure the edges match. It's not the end of the world, but I like it matching. Okay, so we've sewn our scrunchie. Look how the label stays here. And now we are going to put the elastic. Okay, we're just going to put our elastic now. Need to find where the open bit is. So somewhere here it is. Depending on your hair, you can do the elastic a little bit looser, but I normally check on. I don't have a specific measure, to be honest. I just put it together. This could be okay. This will be okay. Gosh, such a gorgeous one. So now what we need to do is to close this little gap, and I will normally put it on a very small length of the stitch, let's say 1.5, so it's properly closed. So now when we put it on, we just go very near the edge. And I cut it very short here because I've done the stitches is not big stitch, so it will be fine. And let me show you the final result. Absolutely gorgeous scrunchie. There you are. So this is a little accessory to the dress. Very pretty. I hope you liked this tutorial. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.